In the world of skincare formulation, one factor plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of your skincare products, and this is the pH of your products. Hi, fellow skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create videos on skincare DIYs, everything that has to do with skincare and its relations. So if you like to learn or you like to see more videos like this, please join the family by clicking the red button down below to subscribe to this channel and join the Flawless Skin Gang. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, if you're already a Flawless Skin Gang, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are going to be talking about pH. This is a topic that a lot of people do not throw a lot of light on, and it is what makes or breaks your skincare routine or what makes or breaks your skincare formulation. So if you like to learn about this, you want to learn about pH of your skincare, pH in general, and how important it is to your skincare formulation, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Now, the pH or potential hydrogen of your skincare product is the acidity or alkalinity of your product. Now, the pH or potential hydrogen determines the acidity and the alkalinity of your skincare products. Now, as a formulator, the key to creating an effective and stable skincare product is the pH of your product. You have to understand at what pH a certain product should be used and at what pH it shouldn't be used. The pH of your product is the key to unlocking a radiant, beautiful skin. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Now, a skincare product with the right pH can work wonders for your skin. Acidic products can help to exfoliate and brighten the skin. Alkaline products can disrupt the skin's barrier. Now, finding the right balance in your skincare products or skincare formulation is essential to creating an effective, safe, and stable skincare product. As a skincare formulator, it is your duty to meticulously balance out your pH to create an effective skincare product. The pH balancing or pH of your skin or pH of your skincare product is a delicate science that transforms your craft as a skincare formulator. Choosing the right product with the right pH can dramatically create a difference in your skin's health. A balanced pH is the secret to glowing skin. Now, as a skincare formulator, if you don't know how to balance out your pH, you don't know what pH a particular product should be, you don't understand the pH of your skin care ingredients and how you can create compatible synergy or a stable skincare product, then you definitely want to reach out to us to join our skincare trainings. We have different trainings for different category of skincare formulators. If you're a beginner and you would like to learn the basics to advanced skincare formulation, we have a specific course for you. We also have advanced skincare formulation course for people who have already started creating skincare products but wants to take their skincare business to another level. Now, we have both group trainings and we have individual trainings, and we can also create a skincare model training for you that will suit your specific skincare formulation needs and your target market. Okay, so if you are one of these persons and you would like to take any of our courses, please use the link in the description bar to reach out to us on WhatsApp, and we will explain all you need to know about our courses, give you information about pricing, schedules, and every other thing you need to know. Now, if you are a skincare enthusiast and you would like to try any of our skincare products, you have skincare issues, thrown off barrier, damaged skin barrier, bleached skin, and you would like to try any of our skincare products, please reach out to us using the link in the description bar, and we will consult for you for free and help you pick out the right skincare products for your skin needs, your skin issue, and your skin type. So next time you reach out for a skincare product, or you want to call that skincare formulator to create a skincare product for you, remember that pH matters in your skincare formulation. You can either elevate or tarnish your skincare routine with either the right product or the wrong product. Choose your skincare formulators right today and get a glowing, beautiful skin. Now, if you've watched up to this extent, please subscribe for more videos like this where I teach you about your skin, the skincare products that you use, your skin type, your skin ingredients, whatever you need to know about skincare. I bring those videos to you. So please take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you are one of the first people to see those videos. And if you have questions about this topic, you would like to talk to us about a skincare product that you use that threw off your skin barrier and how you can treat it, please leave your comment in the comment section. If you have any questions at all about skincare and anything that relates to skincare, please leave your comment in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you create or help you navigate your skin issues.